Hi everyone, I'm Pernella Harris, licensed clinical social worker with Restorative Family Services. And today I just want to reach out to my entrepreneurs. Did you know that 72% of entrepreneurs have a diagnosable mental illness? And it's because being an entrepreneur is hard, and especially in this time, entrepreneurs are really worried. Our country has been shut down. They cannot currently earn a living, or the way they earn a living has been modified. So that can wear you down psychologically. And I have a few tips on how to survive in this uncertain time. So one of the things entrepreneurs have to understand is that create an identity for yourself outside of your business. I know this is your baby. This is what you've built from the ground up. I know you put a lot of sweat equity, a lot of hours, and a lot of people depend on you. But you having to create a separate identity is important for your own survival. Because if your business isn't doing well and you attach how well your business is doing to your self-concept during times like this, it's easy to get in a rut and feel depressed as if everything you worked for has gone and that you're not adequate. So I want you to, one, create a identity outside that. Also, letting go of things that you cannot control. So there's so much going on right now, and so much is out of our control. So doing the things that you can do. If for some reason your business has to be shut down, looking at some of the stimulus packages, trying to come up with creative ways to bring in some additional revenues, start looking at other streams of revenue so that you could still provide for your family. So I know that's a big thing. Also, taking care of your mental health. You know, entrepreneurs are extremely gifted in their ability to be visionaries and to bounce back. And when you're in a crisis time and you're not taking care of yourself and you're not taking care of your mental health, you're not able to access those innate abilities to be creative because you're in survival mode. So take a step back, start treating your mental health. That way you can get back to doing what comes natural, which is creating and producing and figuring out other ways to bring in income. Last thing is really nurturing yourself. So as an entrepreneur, we feel like we have to put in 80 hours or more, or we have to work the hardest and things of that nature. So really taking a step back and blocking off productive time, because you can be working all day, but it's not the best. And if you don't give the best amount or efficient amount of time to what you're doing, you're working, but are you really being productive? And you should have these other balancing activities in your life, balancing yourself with self-care, balancing the time you spend with your family, because that is what you're doing it for, and just really taking care of you so that you can continue to sustain over the long haul, and rather than burning hot and fast. When you're working 60, 80 hours, you're stressed out, you're overwhelmed, you're not giving the best that you can into your business or to the people around you. So really focusing on that. All right, I know this is a rough time, but you will get through this. So take some time, focus on your mental health, because we need visionaries. We need people. Once this virus or health crisis is over, we're going to need people to be creative and to produce and to, get the economy going again. So I wanted to go ahead and give you that message, and hopefully you can find some inspiration. I am doing my Facebook Live every Tuesday. If you're looking for some inspiration, get up early with me. Start your morning off on the right track. 7:30 a.m. Facebook Live on Restorative FS. Hope to see you there.